Pecan oil is taking its place alongside other cooking oils like corn, olive, peanut, canola, and sunflower on grocers' shelves. Up until recently, it was mostly used as a massage oil or incorporated into bath soaps. But as a cooking oil, it can be used in salad dressings, frying, and other applications. Compared to commonly used oils like soybean, peanut, and olive, pecan oil has a light color and flavor and less saturated fat. Canola oil has even less saturated fat, but pecan oil has about a third more polyunsaturated fat, and the total is higher than that for soybean, corn, peanut, or canola oils. Substituting polyunsaturated fats for saturated fats has been shown to lower LDL cholesterol, and in clinical trials, it has led to a reduced risk of heart disease. 1 tablespoon of pecan oil has about 14 grams of fat, which is about 22% of an average adult's daily value of fat, and contains 120 calories. Those with nut allergies must avoid nut-based oils, which includes pecan oil. Pecan oil can be used in baking recipes that call for butter or oil. Homemade sauces and salad dressings can use pecan oil as a base. Use pecan oil for frying meats and veggies or stir-fry meals. It has a higher smoke point, 470 degrees Fahrenheit, than many other oils. In comparison, butter's about 350 degrees, vegetable shortening around 360, soybean oil around 395, virgin olive oil around 420, and peanut oil around 440 degrees.